Welcome to Repair My Mobile. In today's video we are going to see the DFU and download mode cable, how this work and what is its importance. Our teacher Sajad sir will tell more about it, and if you are working on Android and iPhone, why you should have this cable, what is its use. Sajad sir, over to you, and he will also show you the working method of this.
So guys, this is iPhone 12. Let me just check this iPhone DFU cable, is it work and is going DFU mode or recovery mode? Is it switching all of them or not? Come to my PC. So first of all, you check this is my switch on phone totally and it is locked. You check here, it is locked. I want to just change on DFU mode first. First of all, we need to connect my cable of iPhone DFU mode cable. Now this time we need to just connect USB cable first, and you check they have nothing to giving any port here. Now this button will help to switch your DFU mode as well as recovery mode. So how can we switch? Like example, when I'm pressing first time, it's switching Android 8 to 11, and you check the phone is coming on DFU mode and it is black screen. So it is very interesting thing. Okay, let me just switch on recovery mode. Is it work or not? Just press and come on the recovery mode. 1 2 3. Now I am using recovery mode and check my phone is screen and check here it is come on recovery mode or not. Now you check the phone is recovery mode. So successfully we have done DFU mode as well as recovery mode with the help of this key. So similar we can use iPad to switching DFU mode and recovery mode. Is it work or not? Let me show you. Just connect cable first. Now you check here the phone is locked here iPad. Just I am using DFU mode first. Is it working or not? You check, definitely DFU mode is coming here and your phone totally iPad is coming on DFU mode. Okay, let me check it is change on the recovery mode or not. Just pressing power key, this key to recovery mode, and check my iPad screen and this screen. Now you check it's switching. Now you check it's switching on recovery mode directly on my screen as well as system. So this is a very interesting cable, and I think that is a good one cable if your phone is trouble like screen as well as like the keys. So you can this cable used to switching the DFU mode as well as to flashing by the 3U tool or I2 tool.
As you have seen the working of this wire, and if you want to buy this cable, just WhatsApp on this number or install our Android app where you will find the nearby seller who is selling this.